dude, I just found a gold heavy and a purple sniper. Matter of like 10 seconds.
That sucks.
Yeah. But, you know, it would also suck if I were to just, you know, disobey the challenge for one round.
Don't do it.
So, that would suck pretty bad, wouldn't it? I'd really...
It really ruined the entire point of the stream. Yeah.
No, I'm kidding. Oh, I got a flint knock. I got a flint knock. I got a blue flint knock.
A blue one?
Yeah, blue one.
Are you sure?
No.
Okay.
It's a joke. You should come to me. I got stuff. I've got stuff, Alec. We really need. Too quick with it. Did you raid tower? That'd be fine. I have a phone. I got a flint knock. I just saved myself. Oh, I just found a green revolver. Oh. Hey, Alec, you're coming up to me. You can jump. Come here. I'll help you up here. Jump. That's good enough. You know, you got over the mountain. You're good. It's good enough. That's over in 5 seconds. How is the chest breaking? I have a bunch of heals. I say a bunch, I mean like 3 minis.
Oh, that was cool.
Thank you.
I just like used the storm flip to loot for a little bit.
Okay, buddy. Sure you did.
It looks nice when you jump from the
We'll
storm
say you
flip
did.
to the storm.
We'll just say you did, Alec. It's okay.
There's a thing right there.
A shotgun that we can't use?
Yeah.
What would you mark? Okay. You know what?
You're welcome.
Box.
A male human. I think it's male. It is. I don't know if I do with Fortnite. Yeah. I don't know. Oh, they're not in my ranks.
Exactly.
That's what everybody's gonna say.
Where's
Don't deny it.
Where's what am I looking for? We're looking for the we're looking for the human. Where's the human?
What the heck? Where was he at?
Oh, I see him.
God.
I knocked him. Thank you.
I think you sent him flying with your... I think you sent him flying. Oh, shoot!
Haha. It's funny because it's a meme. I might be dead. I'm so dead, bro. Dead. my ball over. Oh, I'm literally gonna die. We're both dead, aren't we?
Nah, I've got slurp juice.
Oh, wow, that's toxic. Oh, wait. I'm good. Come on, this team near me. Team's... Broke my ball, or...
He runs like a robot, Nemo. It's kind of weird. I don't know. This guy.
Me.
No, you run like a cheetah. Your entire body, like just.
Oh wait, Tony?
No.
Did you see him running like a robot the other day at practice?
He runs so weird. He should not be allowed to run.
He's just really unathletic in general. What's that golden thing? Yeah, I know. It's a golden infantry rifle. Oh my god, dude.
You're hot. That was super nice man. It wouldn't seem fine back.
Because you're...
People in front of us. About to hit a launch pad. You almost killed me.
Yeah, we shouldn't push those people. Or should we? Should we just
Shoot
W key them like really hard? Like really hard? Let's see if we do it. Let's W key really hard. If we kill them, then that'd actually be legendary. These kids think it's scrim. M35 shield.
Hit 45.
M35 shield.
Hey, let's launch pad.
It's actually like a scrim game.
Hey, let's W key these guys up here.
Yeah.
That's your wall. He has a shotgun. Oh my god.
Trees are so annoying. Trees need to be removed from the game. Should I just not fight anyone? That's right. Yes, sir. Underground warrior right here. You have a rocket launcher? You. Anyone shoots at me, then they're garbage. Wow. Expect that. Expected for everyone to just laser me at that second. Why would they not sit height?
Should break height down. There's still people up there.
see them again. Thanks for stopping by the stream, so I can't find on there. Yeah, no. I might need to break them. Yeah, you shoot for AR. We can stay in the open like this.
Someone up on height?
Mm-hmm. They left. A little bit. Somebody's being
Should I go
cool.
right?
Nah, they're gonna break it down soon. Just edit a window, shoot them out, or shoot people while they're going to the next circle.
Okay, so knocking me down. Alright, gliders. Actually, yeah, that's got a pad. Should chill. Should get a tree. I'm just gonna end up hitting the tree. Wow. Oh my god. I'm just gonna end up hitting the tree.
Nice.
Wow. Oh my god.
Look how many people are
Pistols only.
Look how many people are
You're joking.
spectating you.
You're joking. I have 2 pistols. 3 pistols.
I guess we doing just